So in today's video, we have the July AIA Beauty Bundle. If you don't know what this is, every month, well, it's a monthly subscription, but every month they curate with either a brand or an influencer that has a brand. So I really like that. You get to try different products from that particular brand just to see if you like the brand. I think it's really, really good. This is $39 a month. It seems like this price went up a little bit as well. So if you want to see what's inside for the month of July, hear my thoughts and opinions, then keep on watching. All right, really quickly, if you don't know, I do have a second channel. We hit 10K. I am so excited. That's more like vlog style. I do walk and talks, car vlogs, stuff like that. I will leave it down below. Check it out in the description box. See if that is something that you'd be interested in. However, this puppy is heavy, first of all. This is the AIA Beauty Box for July. And like I said, I believe this is gifted to me every month. I do have a code. It's JUSTIN in all caps. Saves you some money off. I don't make anything out of it. But every month when they ship it to me, I get like a tracking. And then it gives me a price. And I seen for the first time, it said $39. So I don't know if that seems like the price went up a little bit. When it first came out, it was bi-monthly for like $34. Then it went up, I think, to what, like $38, and now it's $39. These, I understand, because shipping went up. I know that when I mail things out. I cannot get over how much it costs. So I get why the prices are going up. It's just like, now it's like you got to be very cautious in what subscription box that you want. You know what I'm saying? All right, so let's cut the tape and see. The air condition cut one, so you guys know I film in the attic, and it is so hot today. What? Oh, it's taped here too. All right. Okay, so the brand is Beachwaver this month. So this is hair care. I do believe Beachwaver has like a little crimpet thing, I believe. Okay, so here's a little sneak peek. Not too much, you know, I like to tease a little bit. All right, I've never tried anything from this brand, so. You do get a card, which always tells you everything that's inside and gives you a price, I believe, but I don't see a price this, oh, yeah, it's over here. They're tiny. All right, so the first thing, I'm just gonna pick out the first thing that I see. Okay, from well, everything's from Beachwaver. You know what? That's getting louder and louder. Let me turn that off for a little bit. Okay, I couldn't even hear myself think. Okay, so first thing we have is a moisturizing shampoo. It says Good Vibes. Hyaluronic. Okay, it's an Alpha Bond Multiplier. Let's see what it smells like. I'll never not get in like, oh, it has a safety seal. I'll never not get in like shampoos and stuff, you know? Oh, that smells so good. Wow, that smells amazing. All right, how much is this puppy? Oh, so you get the shampoo and conditioner in here, and they are $20 a piece. So let me find the conditioner. Here's the conditioner. I love this. I tell you guys a lot that when I first got into subscription boxes almost 6 years ago, a lot of times you either got the shampoo or you got the conditioner. That's it. You never got both. And I used to always say, I wish they would put both in so you get to try it out. Or it would really just be the sample size, you know? I am so glad that now companies are putting both in here, you know? And $20 is not bad either. This one has a safety seal to the conditioner. That if I do like it, I can afford it. So it'd be $40 for the shampoo and conditioner. If they work good, I don't mind paying that much. Oh, that conditioner smells amazing too. This smells so good. Let me know if you tried this before, and if you have, what you think about it. Let me know down below. All right. The next thing is a heat protectant hairspray. This is a big size.
That's what she said.
And this is $28. So I don't use a lot of heat protectant, but it does say it's also a hairspray. So let's take this off. How do you... Oh, I see. That doesn't come off. So you just turn this right here. You see that? So you do that. It locks it. You turn it. So let's see. First let me smell it. It does smell like the old-fashioned hairspray. Let's see. Does it do anything? I don't know. But yeah, it smells like that hairspray smell, you know? Okay, so we have that. The next thing, oh, this is a purple shampoo. So I can't use this. For dark hair, you usually use like a blue shampoo. Purple shampoo is to get that brassiness out. Now, you can use this if you have darker color hair with highlights. Highlights will help. You can use purple shampoo if you have highlights. If you have no highlights, so you just have dark hair like mine, purple shampoo is not going to do anything for you. So, I don't even know if I know anybody that has blonde hair. I don't know. Oh, my aunt. I'll have to see if my aunt wants it. I mean, she dyes her hair blonde, but yeah, so that's what that's for, is to get that brassy look out, you know? And this is $28. I'm really surprised that they put this in here. It says it has shea butter because not everybody has blonde hair. I would think they would put something that everybody can use, like the shampoo and conditioner, you know, something like that. But I don't know, maybe they don't have a lot of things in their brand, you know? I knew they weren't going to put the, like, a flat iron or whatever they have because that's pretty expensive. I know they're not going to put that in here, you know? But, all right, that I cannot use. And last but not least, oh, it's a dry shampoo. I love me some dry shampoo. This says Second Chance, and this is $26. And it has the same thing, which I like. Look at that. I love that. The only thing is, because I have dark hair, sometimes I get the, like, white flakes, like a cast in my hair. So let me do my hand and see. Yeah, I don't get that. Oh, it smells amazing, too. Oh, so I probably can use that. My favorite for my dark hair, I get it at Walmart, is this Beliste. And I have to get it for dark hair, you know. But, oh, that smells amazing. I'm glad because I don't wash my hair every day, so I do use a lot of dry shampoo. All right, so let's recap everything that we got in July's box. So we have a dry shampoo. Love this. We'll use it. It's probably my favorite thing. Then I'm glad to get the shampoo and conditioner. I'll definitely use this. I'm going to put this right in the shower. Definitely. Then this here, I don't really use hairspray or heat protectant, but... you know, I'll keep it on my desk and use it. I don't know. Maybe I can probably see if somebody in my family will use this. This, nobody in my family can use. We all have dark hair, so I'll have to give this away. This is the only thing that I'm like, why put this in a box? Because not everybody has blonde hair. You know what I mean? So... I don't know. But overall, it's a good box. Do I like to get hair care boxes? Not really. Do I like makeup boxes? Yes. Do I like when they do skincare? Yes, but not all the time. And I don't mind getting hair care as long as it's once in a blue moon. Do you know what I'm saying? But I am glad to try this brand, if that makes sense, you know? Let me know what your thoughts are. Let me know down below. Do you think this is worth the $39? Do you like getting hair care stuff? I wish they had maybe like a serum or something, but they may not carry that in their brand. What in the world? My little fan fell that I do this with. You know, I wish they had that for like dry ends or something like that. But like I said, they may not carry that. I don't know. Alright guys, please like this video. It really does help me out, or dislike it. That helps me out as well. Leave a comment. Let me know how your day's going. Let me know what you think of this box. Did you get it this month? Let me know. And that's everything. Don't forget to check out my second channel. Yeah. Stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay healthy, and most importantly, always stay you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys. Hope I wasn't too negative. I don't know, but why would they put this purple shampoo in here? I have no idea.